Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the engine block and components are capable of high RPM. This is non-negotiable. Remove ancillaries, pull the oil pan, and inspect the main bearings now so weak parts don't fail later. Once done, fit a balanced rotating assembly, lightweight pistons, matching rods, and a properly stroked crank to reduce reciprocating mass. Make sure to upgrade the oil pump and add a baffled pan and windage tray. These prevent oil starvation at sustained high RPM and preserve bearing life. Next, focus on heads and valvetrain work because airflow and valvetrain stability define the top end. You will port match the intake and exhaust ports for high RPM flow and install high-rate valve springs with titanium retainers to control float. Once assembled, set lash or hydraulic preload carefully. You need precise clearance for repeatable valve timing. Also, upgrade to stronger head studs and review rocker ratio to maximize lift without overstressing the valve train. This preserves durability while increasing power. Finally, you perform final assembly with meticulous attention. Torque fasteners to spec, check total seal and clearances, and spin the engine with proper oiling before starting. After first run-in, tune fuel, ignition, and cam timing for the high RPM band using data logging and a wideband oxygen sensor so you can read knock and AFR in real time. If something goes wrong, valve float, sudden oil pressure loss, or detonation, stop immediately. Inspect logs and components and address the root cause before repeating the test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.